Alright, hey, what's up, guys? This is Gio from the Mystery Bros. And today we wanted to open up 5 Vivid Voltage packs. And what we're looking for is obviously the big one, that Pikachu, the secret rare, the VMAX. We're also looking for amazing rares. We already pulled 2 of them, the Rayquaza and the Celebi. The amazing rares are the new rarity type that they added in the Vivid Voltage. And today, we just want to catch more of them, you know? We want to catch all the Pokemon right now. So, let's start it up by opening this Pikachu. To hopefully get that Pikachu that we're looking for. Or maybe the nice little shining Charizard. Here we go. First pack. You guys, I'll give you the code. And you know what we do with those. Throw it away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So come on. Let's get that. Water Energy. Zebra Striker. Excadrill. Nuzleaf. Seedot. Pikipek. Mudbray. Joltik. Weedle. Oh, shit! Pardon my language, guys, but we just pulled another amazing rare Celebi. Look at that. Oh, look at that card. And what's behind it? Oh, non-hollow Flareon. Look at that. Definitely going to sleeve this up. It's nice. That's good. We'll put that off to the side. One thing I really like about these two is that the amazing rares got the hollows right in there, and that's the logo for their amazing rare. These are great artworks that they added for this series. Great pull, guys. Great pull. Add another one of those to the collection. Alright. Keep it going. Keep it going. Oh, man. This pack is fighting with me. There you go. Here's a code for you guys if you need it. Throw that away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Lightning Energy. Cramorant. Nessa. Nuzleaf. Rockruff. Blitzel. Skiddo. Pharaoh Seed. Then. Reverse Hollow Pochinya. And a Grapploct. Okay. Alright, well, nothing out of there. That's fine, that's fine. Let's open up this Pikachu. Looking for that Pikachu. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, we need that Pikachu. There we go, guys. Get that code, throw that away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Water Energy. Cramorant. Nessa. Nuzleaf. Char. Chatot, Joltik, Cottony, Mudbray, Reverse Hollow Pinecone. Oh, here we go. A Talonflame V. It's a nice card. I haven't added this. Ooh, not too good on those. Look at that. There you go. Nice couple pulls right there, and we still got 2 more packs. Let's try to get that secret rare Pikachu in here. Tear this apart. Code for you guys. I tossed it away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Wash Energy. Charmeleon. Pincurchin. Tenemo. I keep seeing something down there. This might be a good pack. Chatot, Calabas, Skiddo, Reverse Hollow Dronatome. Oh, nice. A little Agalash VMAX. Well, it's a good card and a great pull, but I already got one of these, so not too ecstatic about that. But still a good pull overall. Alright, last pack. Still trying to find that Pikachu, that secret rare Pikachu. So, there you go. Alright. code for you guys. Throw that away. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Water. Oh, pulling way too much. Water Energy, Chichester Bath, Galarian Stunkfish, Coating Energy, Rock Ruff, Blitzel, Skidoo for you, Pharaoh Seed, Den, Reverse Hollow Alcremie, and a non-hollow Samurai. Okay. Well, here we go, guys. The 3 pulls out of here. We got a Talon V, the Celebi Amazing Rare. Already have one of these, but you can never have too many of these. Look at that beautiful artwork. We always love to see this. And Aegislash VMAX. I'm not too happy about that one, but these two I'm happy about. This one I still haven't gotten. Alright, so that's all we have for today, guys. You know, please like and subscribe to our videos. We put out content every week. We're gonna do giveaways too, and we want to do this, you know, build our family up together with you guys. So thank you. Enjoy the show.